How to block and defend roundhouse kick lesson 2. Look carefully. This is a side elbow punch. This is most powerful and dangerous punch. You can apply your opponent's ribs cage like this. Let's see second tips. Second tip. You can apply your opponent's testicles area. Third one is you can catch your opponent's roundhouse kick. After you can do balance off like this. As well as you can apply kick or punch like this. Fourth technique is you can apply front elbow punch for your opponent's jaw, or scientific name is mandible bone. You should practice carefully because of most dangerous punch. Last technique is you can block with your palm heel. After you can as per your wish.